We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC J6710 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace your ink cartridges. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is look at the error message on your screen that tells you you need to replace your ink, and look at what color inks it's telling you need to be replaced. You could also look down here at the bottom right hand corner. There's a little status bar for all four of your ink colors, and you can kind of get a visual idea of which inks need to be replaced. Once you know which colors need to be replaced, you're going to go over here to the right side, and there's a little finger notch just on the side of this front cover here. You're going to put your finger in there, pull down, and there you're going to find all four of your ink cartridges. So in this case, our magenta is getting low and needs to be replaced. So we're going to go down, we're going to find our magenta. There's a little tab right at the top of the ink cartridge. We're going to push down, and then slide your ink cartridge straight out of the printer. Very, very easy. You're going to repeat that process with any and all inks that need to be replaced. Once you have your new ink ready to go, you're going to take it, slide it right back into its slot, push it until it clicks down into position. Again, you're going to want to repeat that for any and all inks that need to be replaced. Once you have all of them replaced that need to be replaced, you're just going to raise this front cover. Now the printer is going to ask you if you replaced anything. You click yes or no. So in this case, we're going to hit 1 saying yes. And that's going to tell the printer that we replaced the ink cartridge. It's going to reset the ink level for that cartridge in the printer, and it won't come back until the error message rather won't come back until it's ready to change the ink cartridge again. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help provide you with any of your printer or office supplies, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.